Welcome to our video about the English idiom, put your best foot forward. Today, we'll explore its meaning, origin, and provide 5 simple sentence examples. The idiom, put your best foot forward, means to make a great effort to make a good impression. It's often used when someone wants to show their best qualities. Let's dive into the origin of this intriguing phrase. The idiom dates back to the 16th century and has been used in literature and everyday speech ever since. Some believe it originated from the practice of stepping forward with the dominant foot first, symbolizing confidence and strength. This idea was prevalent in social and military contexts of the time. Another theory suggests it comes from the world of dance, where leading with your best foot ensures a graceful performance. This interpretation emphasizes the importance of first impressions. Now that we understand the meaning and origin, let's look at some examples. These sentences will help clarify how to use this idiom in everyday conversations. Example 1. She put her best foot forward during the job interview, impressing the hiring manager with her skills and enthusiasm. Example 2. At the talent show, he put his best foot forward, showcasing his incredible singing abilities to the audience. Example 3. When meeting new clients, it's crucial to put your best foot forward to establish a positive business relationship. Example 4. He put his best foot forward on the first day of school, making new friends and impressing his teachers. Example 5. In competitive sports, athletes always put their best foot forward to outperform their rivals and win the game. Thank you for watching. We hope you now have a better understanding of the idiom, put your best foot forward. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more language insights.